Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AdMob setup for Android mobile apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AdMob account at admob.google.com. Once logged in, click on the Apps section in the left menu. Select the Add App button to create a new application entry. Choose whether your app is published on the Google Play Store or not. If your app is published, search for it using its name. If it's not published, select the No option and fill in the app details. After that, you'll need to choose the platform, which in this case is Android. Click on Create App to finalize the setup. Once your app is created, you'll see an overview screen with your app's information. Next, navigate to the Monetize app section. Select Get Started to proceed with ad monetization. You'll now need to create ad units. Choose the type of ad unit you wish to create, such as banner, interstitial, or rewarded ads. Fill in the required details for the ad unit, such as the ad unit name. After configuring the ad unit details, click on the Create Ad Unit button. You'll see a unique ad unit ID generated for you. Copy this ad unit ID, as you'll need it for your app. Next, open your Android project in Android Studio. In your app's build.gradle file, add the Google Mobile Ads SDK dependency. Sync your project to ensure the SDK is integrated. Now, in your app's main activity, initialize the Mobile Ads SDK by adding the initialization code. Create a new instance of your ad unit using the ad unit ID you copied earlier. For banner ads, create the ad view and set its layout parameters. Load the ad using the ad request class and call the loadAd method. For interstitial ads, create an interstitial ad object and load your ad similarly. Implement the necessary ad listeners to handle ad events. Finally, build and run your application on an Android device or emulator. Check if the ads are displaying correctly within your app. Monitor your AdMob dashboard for performance metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.